Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Iris. Today I'm so excited and humbled to show you an empty house tour because me and my husband just bought a house together for the first time. So this is a fixer-upper project and our location is in Bay Area. Throughout our channel, we will be converting this single-family house into a duplex and possibly a triplex. We will break down all the cost, renovation, DIY projects, success, and many mistakes that we will make so that we all can learn from. So subscribe my channel and follow our journey. With that said, let's get into the empty house tour and see how it looks like before any remodeling and refurbishing is done. The condition of the house is very good. The foundation and the structures are very solid and there's no damages or whatsoever. But just the fact that the house was built in 1950 and the previous owner didn't do much on remodeling. So systems like electricals are kind of old, but we expect to do some updates when we buy the house, so that's fine. And the style of the house is a little bit outdated because my husband and I like modern styles, so we'll have some cosmetic updates as well. But overall, this house is very well maintained and it saves a lot of money for a fixer-upper project like this because we don't need to do anything about the structure and it set a good foundation for remodeling. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. This house means so much to us and it definitely has a lot of potential. So I can't wait to share with you our projects along the way. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think about our new home in the comments. In the next video, I'll share with you the first DIY projects I do in our new home. So subscribe my channel, take care, and I'll see you soon.